¿Qué tal amigos? Saul here from Decoding the Market. Happy to be here today sharing an update and more information. If you are new, welcome. If you are not, welcome back again. As always, hoping that you are doing well and enjoying your weekend and getting ready to enjoy your family and friends. Today is Saturday, November 21st. Let's take a look what CHAINLINK today does in preparation for next move to the uptrend or possible resistance price levels to find a strong momentum to go before to continue to the uptrend. It looks like the CHAINLINK is facing a possible big move towards the uptrend in this current bull market. Today we will analyze together CHAINLINK and MONERO. Let's take a look at CHAINLINK first. I will recommend you to stay until the end of this technical analysis to show you more technical analysis suggestions you can watch and learn from it that you cannot miss in this bull market. Please leave a comment in the section below. The only requirement to be here is only if you enjoyed this video and want to learn something new that will help you to succeed in your financial investments or enjoying being here during this session. Just go ahead and subscribe to the channel, smash the like button and leave a comment in the box below to support me and help the YouTube algorithm to know what is happening here. And thank you before for that. Let's see 1 day chart and 3 days chart so that you have better understanding the possible movement of CHAINLINK in the coming days. Okay amigos, looks like CHAINLINK it's getting ready to touch the all-time highs, which is $20. And actually I've been analyzing CHAINLINK and just like to refresh your mind, CHAINLINK in the beginning was working just sideways in this particular area, break above, touch this high, and then break below, touching the low price, and subsequently break above this resistant price and continue to the uptrend, exceeding a second high right here. And then is when CHAINLINK make a move from $4.86 to $20, and this big move happened in July this year. So anyway, let's take a look what CHAINLINK needs to do to make happen and touch the high price, the all-time high. If you notice, CHAINLINK went down right after touch the higher price, the all-time highs in August the 16th this year, and then all the price went down until find this level of support, and from there make a move trying to get a strain to the uptrend, but it was kind of fake, a move to the uptrend. And then CHAINLINK started to create this channel that I noticing, and since then CHAINLINK it's going to the uptrend. So right here it's the information that I want to share with you guys. CHAINLINK, like I've been explaining to you in my previous videos, follow my mouse in this trend line to the uptrend, but it's approaching this area, this resistant area, which is going to be very interesting place to pay attention, because right there may CHAINLINK will find some resistance price there, right up here. So in that area, Chainlink must exceed in order to continue to the uptrend. So this area, Chainlink is going to find another resistant level and price, which is this, like 17.37 cents. So this is what Chainlink must do in the next days: close above, and maybe close above this area that I already told you, 1740s, and then maybe Chainlink is gonna come back down and test this support area, guys. That's why it's very important that Chainlink must exceed in price these two levels first in order to continue to the uptrend and hit the all-time highs in the next days. But looks like it's gonna be possible in the next coming days, probably by the end of the month, or probably in the next month in December, since we are facing a bull market in cryptocurrencies, and would be a very good chance that to see Chainlink is recovering strength and price and getting to the point to reach the all-time highs, which happened in August this year. In August 2020, yes, it was this year. So that is the movement that Chainlink must do in order to continue to the uptrend. But we must wait until Chainlink approach this area, guys, right up here, because like I said, it's approaching to these two levels of resistance price levels. Probably Chainlink is gonna find strong resistance level here and come back here and touch this level again and resume the price to continue to the uptrend and follow this channel that I already show you. If you follow my mouse right here, this trend line to the uptrend, and the second one is creating a channel that it's going to up, touching low, go high, break below, but it was a fake break below, resume the price, and still touching these levels. And maybe that is exactly what Chainlink will do in the near future to approach the all-time highs this year, because we are facing a bull market in these present days. And if you are looking for get an entry in Chainlink, the best advice that I can give you at this moment is that to wait if have a resistance price right here and come back and get an entry right up here in this level, guy, right here, because like I said, we are in a bull market and Chainlink will find most likely a support price right up here. So right here around 1380s you can find a very good entry, and the price, if the price don't close below, would be fantastic, but it does may touch this new support right here, right up here, guys, right there. So this area will be a very good entry for you for Chainlink, because probably it's going to do exactly the same thing, break below and resume the price, which happened twice, one over here, break below, resume the price to the uptrend, break below this trend line, and maybe we'll do exactly the same thing. I don't know if this is the high price at this moment, could be, but maybe could touch right here and come back right here, break below like happened right here, and resume the price to continue the uptrend and continue following this channel. So right here, guys, between 13.80s and $13 would be a very good entry for you if you guys are interested to invest in CHAINLINK. Okay, guys, this is for CHAINLINK. Let's take a look now. Another currency pair. I'm sorry, cryptocurrency. Sorry about that. I do Forex as well, so that's why sometimes my thoughts are dripping around in my head. But anyway, let's take a look. Another cryptocurrency. And before to go to analyze another cryptocurrency, guys, I would like to show you another thing, another indicators that it's giving us the possibility that the price will touch this area. And then if you notice my EMAs, every time when the price continue above this yellow line, the price continue to the uptrend. And let's take a look at the Bollinger Band, which it's right exceeding outside this area. So it may continue, yes, continue to get to this point and then come back and retest, and probably it's gonna test this level right here, this high, because already exceed these two resistant levels in price. If you notice, I put a circle right here, and now I can circle right up here, which would be the third one that could happen. That once again, price could come over here, come back and test this support, and maybe this support as well, and continue to the uptrend. Like I said before, continue this channel. Now let's take a look another cryptocurrency. Okay, amigos, let's take a look Monero. Just for your information, FYI, Monero, it is open source software, often for IT or software development projects, technological information with available code to make edits, bug fixes, alteration and improvements. This software is used in some of the most popular applications and operating system available, including the Android smartphone operating system and the Firefox web browser. With that being said, I really hope that information was helpful to give you a better idea if you want to invest in Monero. But anyway, let's take a look what Monero is doing right now and the possibility to continue to the uptrend. If you notice, I have a few trend lines to the uptrend, and actually Monero is following this channel to the uptrend. But the next challenge for Monero is that Monero must have to exceed this level, which is 141, let's round it, 140, in order to continue to the uptrend. So in my opinion, Monero, it's having a very, very long way to continue to the uptrend and exceed the all-time highs that happened right up here in 2017, which is the all-time highs for all the cryptocurrencies. So right here, I'm not sure, to be honest, if that can happen. Obviously, it's not gonna happen this at the end of this year, but may happen. Something that could happen is to exceed in this bull market these two levels that It is 140 and may exceed 160. Right there, it is what I can tell you about Monero. I'm not seeing much that I can add to this technical analysis since Monero make a big move over here and then went all the way down like all the cryptocurrencies, and it was moving in sideways from July 2019, moving down to the downside, touching this level, go back, touching this trend line to the downside, touching once again this support level, and continue gradually to the uptrend. And finally, the big move that Monero did in the recent days was in September, when close above, actually it was in July, when crossed above this trend line coming from June 2018, touching this high, touching this new high, and then come and break above this trend line and went up and test this support right here. It was a very good entry for those who invest in Monero, because finally Monero break above this trend line, and that is exactly what Monero is doing to go into the uptrend. So like I said before, guys, let's take a look 3 days chart to make it a little bit more clear and tell you the possibilities of Monero. So right here, Monero, like I said, must exceed 140, may exceed 160 in this bull market, and right after, if Monero exceed 160, Monero is going to have a open freeway to touch maybe 200, above $200, around 225. And like I said before in my previous analysis in another cryptocurrencies, if Monero by the end of the year touch $225, Monero may touch up to $300. But we need to wait first to see if Monero is able to break above this area and make it happen. First, like I said, the first 140s, and then the second is gonna be 160. The next one would be a free ride to above $200, and right after, yes, we can touch up to $300. But we need to wait, guys. And if for those who want to invest in Monero, well, I think would it be now a good entry. If you want to, you can wait until the price come back here, since it's touching this trend line. Maybe it's gonna find some resistance in price, come back here and touch this level, which is $122, and maybe I'm not sure, since I have another line here indicating me that could be support right here. Let me make it clear for you guys. Right here, let me make it clear. Right there, it may touch this level right here, right there, and then resume the price to the uptrend. And like I explained to you in my previous analysis, it may follow this channel to the uptrend to exit these levels. Okay, guys, hope you like this video, but not before I want to show you one more thing with my indicators. What is doing Monero right now, and the indicators, the EMAs are showing me right now, is that, like I said in my previous analysis, as long as the price is above this yellow line, this moving average, the price will continue to the uptrend, and that is exactly what it's going on right now. If you notice, when the price close below this yellow line, price most likely going down, and when the price close above, the price it's going up. So right now the EMAs are indicating me that the price it's going to the uptrend and will may touch in the next coming days this level 140. And but nevertheless, we need to wait right here, guys. Right here I see that could be a resistant price, but like I've been explaining to you before, if the price exceeds this level, yes, the price may continue to the uptrend and actually may find some resistance in price. And like I said before, if you want to get a better price to get an entry, let's wait until see if the price find a resistant level here and come back and touch this area, which is 122, like I told you before, and right there could be a good opportunity to get an entry. Okay, guys, so remember, the yellow line must be below the price to continue to the uptrend. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel to support me and help the YouTube algorithm to know what is happening here. If you're still here, in the next couple of seconds will appear some suggestions you don't want to miss in this bull market. Thank you and have a wonderful weekend.